In a land far, far away, there was a magical acorn named Juggernaut. This wasn't just any ordinary acorn, for it had the power to grow into the strongest oak tree. One sunny morning, Juggernaut felt a strange sensation. He knew it was time to fulfill his destiny. With a mighty push, he sprouted and grew into a tiny sapling. As he grew, Juggernaut discovered his magical powers. He could make the wind blow gently, the sun shine brighter, and the rain fall softly. He felt powerful, yet he knew his strength had a purpose. One day, a group of bullying cats made a mess of the meadow. The butterflies and birds were scared, and the other trees felt helpless. Juggernaut, feeling compassion, decided to help. With a wave of his branches, he calmed the cats, and with a strong gust of wind, he cleaned up the meadow. The other trees cheered, and the animals danced with joy. From that day forward, Juggernaut became a protector of the meadow. He used his powers to help those in need, and his strength was no longer just for show. Every night, Juggernaut would whisper stories of his adventures to the moon. He taught the creatures of the meadow the importance of kindness and bravery. And so, Juggernaut, the magical acorn, spread love and peace throughout the land. He was a hero, not just because of his strength, but because of his compassionate heart. And every night, the meadow was filled with dreams of Juggernaut's adventures, inspiring the creatures to be kind and brave, just like their friend, the magical acorn.